Technology and innovation are inseparably linked to time and the history of human development and growth. Every era in history is defined by the engineering advances of the times. For over 50 years, ABB's low-voltage drives have been a part of many era-defining technologies and breakthroughs. From electric public transport to today's push for energy-efficient, low-carbon industry. Today, our drives play a key role in an era of increasingly data-driven societies and artificial intelligence. We can only imagine what the future will bring. And the imagination of an engineer is where innovation begins. Our low-voltage drive story continues, with the next chapters already being written on the desks of our bright minds who are busy envisioning and engineering the next 50 years.